hey guys, drop it in. Don't stop the scroll right now. Just like listen to me for the next 2 minutes and bear with me. So, how many of you guys have been affected from this pandemic? How many of you guys might be actually getting into the worst shape of your life? Struggling with eating like crap, not moving because you don't really know what to do and you don't have access to the gym and you're not really going to have access for a while, and just really struggling with motivation at all to really put yourself first because you don't really feel like it. Like you're like, okay, I don't care. The world has stopped. I'm kind of just like gonna ride this out and whatever. And then as a result, you've gained at least 10 pounds. You feel like crap, you're sluggish, you're unmotivated, and you're just not performing like your best self. You're kind of like dragging your feet and you're like, it's almost over. The pandemic's almost over. That's okay. I'll do it later. I'll do it later. Can you relate to this? If you can, there's a lot of people that can right now. This has affected so many people in so many ways, and unfortunately, it's been mainly a negative way. It's taken a huge toll on a lot of people's health and wellness, and instead of moving forward and charging, they've been retreating back and really sinking back into old habits that don't serve them, that might not be serving you. And that's not how it has to be. And that's why I created an exclusive 6-week program that I'm releasing on June 20th to only 20 motivated people that are ready to take on the challenge of getting into the best physical, mental, spiritual shape of their lives in only 6 weeks. All right. It's a 6-week exclusive program that I've created, and I'm so excited to share this with you to help you guys really get over these hurdles, get into the best shape of your life so that you're really protected during this pandemic. Not only so you look and feel amazing, that's important, but so that you're lowering your risk of this horrible virus severely affecting you and your health. And how many people has this affected right now in a negative way? Thousands. Thousands. And if you're in a position right now where you're not taking care of yourself, where you're not very healthy, you're not eating well, you're compromising your immune system, and you're allowing the reality of this is that you're really opening yourself up to really severely getting affected by this. And it's not the way that we want to go. Like, it's really not. And it just starts with prioritizing your health. I'm an expert at this. I've been doing this for over 8 years now. I've been obsessively studying this for 10. I've recently been able to completely transform my immune system, my body, my digestion, ever since I came back from traveling from Europe. So for about past 5 months now, I've invested in myself in a high level. And I'm so ready to share this with you guys in this challenge. I'm so ready because I've learned so much, not just in my whole career, but specifically recently, that in the last 6 months. I also just ran my 30-day summer shred challenge, where everyone got results. Like literally every single person saw changes in their body and their nutrition habits and everything. And it took a plan. It took commitment, it took accountability, it took having this amazing group of people that's all going through it together to get these results. And that's what I want to create for you guys. That's what this space is going to be in this 6-week challenge. You're literally going to have every single thing. I'm going to be hand holding you through this amazing journey over 6 weeks that's going to transform the way that you look and feel every single day. Your energy levels are going to be totally through the roof without you needing all these extra supplements and caffeine all the time and whatever Energizer Bunny stuff you might be pumping down your throats right now just to try to get motivated to get off the couch every day. This is going to change the game. I have 100% money back guarantee. I am so freaking confident in myself and my abilities in this challenge because I've been through it myself. I've brought other people through it, and everyone has been successful. Literally every single person. I've never, ever had anyone ask for their money back in any of these specific programs that I've put out because I pour my heart and soul into them, and I've studied my ass off in order to really understand what works and what doesn't. So if you're ready to freaking finally now, like right now, put yourself first, put your health first, get into the best shape of your lives so that you feel amazing, that you thrive, so that you are protected, so that you can excel, This is it. Join the 6-week program. It's only open to 20 people that are ready, that are motivated. You need to apply to get into this, okay? The community is so important. I already have 5 people signed up. So that's 14 spots left. That's it. It starts in 2 weeks. If it's not now, then when? If not with me, then with who? Let's do this. Stop making excuses. Stop dragging your feet. This isn't going to end anytime soon. And I'm here to help you through. I'm here to get you to that next level, even when times are tough, even when there's 1,000 different types of information being thrown at you every single day. That's super confusing. And that's most of the time bullshit and doesn't work. I'm here to give you a plan. I'm here to set you up with a community that's going to just catapult you to success. And I'm here to get you freaking results. So go ahead and reply to this message saying I'm in to get next steps for joining this exclusive program that's only open to 20 people. That's it, that are hyper focused. Reply right now. Let's do this. Let's go.